Meron akong ginawa, I took it personally because in front of me, in this long table, on the other side of the table, somebody lied.
Ay, alam ko na.
Somebody lied in that conversation.
Babae ba yun?
Basta when I left,
ba yun?
when I left, I took that personally and
nagalit ka ata nun.
Hindi, kasi ano lang, medyo pagpapasensya nyo na ako, Pinky Misa. Misa magaspang lang talaga ako. But it doesn't mean I'm really a bad person. It's just that masakit lang pag sinungalingan noong ikay harap-harapang pinagsisinungalingan.
Okay.
That lesson, pagdating dito, wala na, nag-ano na ako, nanamlay ako. Sabi ko, hindi, sa taong bayan na lang ako makikipag-usap. At least sa taong bayan, totoo. Pag ayaw sa akin taong bayan, iismirang ka lang eh. Pagka gusto ko naman ng taong bayan, katulad yung mga lolo't lola ko, mga lolo't lola ko, I heard what you did during Monday's votation.
Anong nangyari?
Di ba, boboto sila, maaga. Matutuwa ka naman doon sa mga matatanda.
Dahil?
Ayaw nilang pahawak sa BEI. Baka daw mabago yung boto nila sa akin. Inakyat pa nila sa third floor.
Talaga?
Marami. It's a simultaneous report. So that's why, mga lolo't lola ko, I love you. Thank you very much.
Pero naging, nung mayor ka, I remember one of your campaign promises was really to get them jobs. Tumatak kasi sa akin yun, Yorme, kasi sinasabi mo before, nangangampanya ka pa lang nun, may video ka nun that you wanted the private companies to employ, I don't know, 20% ba yung sabi mo?
At the very least.
20% na senior citizens. Yun yung iyong way para magkaroon ng trabaho naman yung mga...
Those who are able, still functioning, mapapakinabangan nila sa hanap buhay nila, ay bigyan nila ng pagkakataon. Because the Japanese is doing it. The Taiwanese is doing it. So I think the Filipinos can do it sa mga lolo't lola natin. And in fairness, shout out sa Jollibee, McDonald's, at kung sino-sino pang mga kumpanya. Pasensya na kayo, kailangan kong batiin. I have to give credit where it's due. Those company really hired PWD, solo parent, and senior citizen.
That was very important when you did that.